This is how to add a custom token to the MetaMask BSC wallet.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Open up MetaMask on whatever browser device. The next step is to go to the top right hand screen and click these three lines. Just to scroll over on the top right hand screen until you see these three dots or icons. Click on import tokens. As you can see, you can search for tokens underneath popular or your current network, or you can click right here next to search custom token. Underneath the token contact address, you want to go to CoinMarketCap, locate a cryptocurrency that you would like to import the custom token. Go to the top left hand screen if you want to import this, Tether USDT, where it says contract on the left hand screen. Click right here to copy to the clipboard. As you see, it's been copied. Now go back to MetaMask, click the three dots or icon, import tokens. Underneath custom tokens, go to token contract address and do Control V. And now as you can see, we see the ticker symbol. Make sure to select the network of your choice. Repaste the token contract address. As you see, it's already been added. If the token has already been added underneath custom token, make sure that you paste one that has not been selected. As you can see, repaste the contract address and you can type in the ticker symbol of your choice. Once you're happy or satisfied, click on next. As you can see, it would like to confirm, are you sure you want to import this token? Click on import.